problem, we want to know which number has the greatest value. So one way to do this is to take each number and rewrite them in standard form. Another way is to first compare the exponents, right? So compare the exponents. And I guess a prequel to that, step 0, is to sort out positive and negative numbers. And then, so once you figure out which the positive and negative numbers are, compare the exponents, and if the exponents are equal, compare the coefficients. Now, what I'm talking about here, for example, in the first problem, we have 6.7 times 10 to the fourth. This is a positive number because it's a positive coefficient times a positive exponent, a positive power of 10. So, this is the coefficient, and this is the exponent. So first, we'll go for each of these numbers, we look at are they all positive, and then we compare the exponents, and then we compare the coefficients. So I notice right now they're all positive, even though we have in choice G 7.6 times 10 to the negative fourth. This number here means to take 7.6 and divide it by 10 4 times. So in this case, the negative exponent means division. It doesn't mean a negative number. Since they're all positive, the next thing I'm going to compare though is the exponents. So f needs to be the greatest because it has the greatest exponent. This exponent for f is bigger than every other exponent here. The next biggest exponent is 3, and then negative 3, choice J, and then negative 4, choice G. So f is the greatest. And even though, for example, 8.9 times 10 to the third, which is choice H, has a larger coefficient, the exponent is smaller than the choice F. And this makes sense because here we're multiplying by 1,000, or 10 to the third. So 8.9 is bigger than 6.7, but 10 to the fourth is 10 times bigger than any number here. So that means you're multiplying 6.7 by 10,000, which I'd rather have 6.7 10,000s than 8.9 1,000s. And if we can see that, here we would get 6 and then 3 zeros, 6, 7, and 3 zeros, or 67,000. Here we would have 8.900, or 8,900. 8,900 is much smaller than 67,000. And that's because this power of 10 impacts the number greater than any other part of the number in scientific notation. Alright, hope that helped.